Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix Capcut smooth slow motion not working on your iPhone. So it should work, but if you want to export it, you'll need the Pro feature. But if you have the Pro feature and it still doesn't work, you're just going to do what I do. You're actually going to go to settings first, which is kind of funny, but you need to go here first. And you're going to select general. Also make sure your VPN is off. Then you're going to scroll down under general, transfer reset iPhone, and select reset network settings. I'm not going to do that though. Then you're going to go to iPhone storage and you're going to offload the Capcut app, and you're just going to basically uninstall it first. And if that still does not work, you may need to update your app, and uninstalling does that, so like it'll update it to the latest version anyway. Now let's open Capcut. If that still doesn't work, you just need to clear out some storage in your phone, or you need to clear the cache files on the Capcut app. So to do that, you're just going to go to Me, which is on the bottom right corner of this application. Go to the settings button on the right side here. On the top right, scroll down. If you have some cache, clear cache, and then press confirm. Again, make sure you have the Pro feature, and smooth slow motion should work just fine. I'll just select this video here, and then go to speed and just just apply the slow motion. Let me just mute it so you don't hear the video. If I can just find speed right now, that would be actually so great. Oh, it's right here. Sorry, I'm like really tired. Anyways, go to normal, and I'm just going to adjust it here, and I'm going to enable smooth slow motion, better quality, and press the check mark button, and then gonna let it do its thing. Sorry. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Let's just close this first, and yeah.